guys, what's up? As you can tell after that build montage, my speaker box is complete. It's right back there. Having trouble zooming in, but I will get back there. I'll start the car, get back there, and get music going. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. This is how I have it set up now. Have it on its side. And I have it being hooked up with 8-gauge wire. This 8-gauge wire is coming around here to the back, being connected with banana plugs. So these two terminals are the two 2-ohm voice coils, and I just have it hooked up at 2 ohms right now. If I wanted it at 4 ohms, it'd be super easy to bridge it. There's no port chuffing because I have it rounded over and I have the 45s on the corners to help airflow. But anyway, it's done pretty good. Oh, here's bass, I love you.